we will teach you how to prepare lasagna. We will tell you the ingredients.
Preparation. In a pan, heat the oil over medium heat. Add the meat and cook stirring for 4-5 minutes or until the meat is cooked and lightly browned.
Season with a medium teaspoon of salt.
Add oregano.
Then, in a pot with plenty of boiling salted water, cook a medium page of lasagna.
Add the tomato sauce.
Grease in a bowl, start adding the meat and cream, also the cheese, and so on continuously.
Tasty.